Thank you for purchasing WordPress Editorial Assistant. After downloading the plugin and decompressing it, you will have a documentation folder which contains instructions to install the plugin and a zip file which is the actual plugin file. To install the plugin, start by logging to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. Click on Upload. Then click on Choose a file and select the zip file named WP Editorial Assistant. Click Install Now. WordPress will upload the file and decompress it to the plugins directory. Finally, click on Activate Plugin. Now, the plugin is ready for use.